Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video, we are going to cover the solution of question number 1 of assignment number 2, which is related to attempt 2022, and its subject name is Business Statistics, and its code is 1430, and it is a part of the AIOU examination system. First, we will read the question, then we will jump into the solution to discuss the solution in detail. Long distance carrier is trying to see the effect of offering 1 month free with a monthly fixed of $10.95 versus an offer of low monthly fees $8.75 with no free month. To test which might be more attractive to consumer, long distance carrier runs a brief market test. 12 phones responses made calls using one approach and 10 use the other. The following number of consumers agreed to switch from their present carrier to LDC, long distance carrier. So here is the 1 month free package for which 12 papers are 12 papers have been selected, and the other is low month free without any uh, free scheme, without any free month. So there are 10 papers regarding this scheme. So first party test whether there are significant productivity difference with the two offers at 10% of level of significance. The same is uh, the same is to be tested for the 5% level of significance. So, in the nutshell, the summary of the question is that there is a company which labeled as long distance carrier, and he has introduces two package or schemes which has 1 month free with fixed cost of $10.95, and the other package is labeled as low monthly fee which has a cost of $8.75, but in this case no month is available for use of free. So in order to test the productivity of the two packages, he selected 12 phone responses for the package 1 and the 10 user for the package 2. So number of user data switches from the existing carrier to the LDC are given in this table. So let's move to the solution. So here is the solution. So I will use x as a variable to denote 1 month free package and y is equal to low month fees. I am going to be expand this one. So this is the values as per given in the data, and these are the values as per given the data. Means column B and C data are related to the data descriptions. The other two column D and E are calculated ones. So total this we will use this total. So number of observations for the column 1s are 12 and the number of observations for the column C's are 10 as per the given descriptions. So I am going to be use this x scale. I am taking the scale of this column and scale of this column under the column E labeled y scale. So mean is obtained by dividing the sum of the first column or B column by number of the observation 12, and this is obtained by dividing the 1098 by 10. So here we get the mean of the two series or two distribution, 110.33 and 109.8. Now we will come to the uh, standard deviation and variance of these two series or distributions. Here SK2 F means free 1 month free package, and SK2L means uh, low month rate package. So here I am going to use a direct formula from the Excel functions, and here also I will use a Excel function or method to solve the SL. Take the square root of this one, we will get this one. Now the formula is little bit different, but the results are same. Look at this. Why I am calculating this to cross verify the answers of two Excel function and the formula method. So look at this. Here is the formula. I am going to be use this. What is the formula? 1 over n minus 1 for series 1, which is 12 minus 1 11 into summation x k which is mission xk is equal to 147.8.2 minus n is 12 into mean square. So here is a mean 110.33 square, so we will get 136.42. This is the variance, which is exactly similar to the 136 that we have collected on the basis of excess function or method. The same is here, which is also true for the uh, SL, which we determine on the basis of Excel method or function. So there is no difference between this one and this one, but I recommend you use these formulas in your preparation of your assignment. So let's move to the now I am going to be determine the pooled estimate, and the pooled estimate is obtained by SP into square root of 1 over n1 plus 1 over n2. So the same formula I have applied here. Look at this. This is SP square. So what I am going to do, first you determine SP pool estimate. It is obtained by n minus 1 into s1 square plus n2 minus 1 into s2 square divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2. So n minus 1 11 into s1 square, this is sf square, and into 11 plus uh, 10 minus 1, here 10 minus 1 9 into s L square 1292.40 divided by 12 plus 10 minus 2, which is also used as a degree of freedom, which is equal to 656.61. So taking the square root of this value, we will get full estimate of these two distribution joint 25.62, and in order to obtain the SE is equal to 10.97, which is obtained by SP into square root of 1 over n plus 1 over n2. So this is the value that we have get this one. Now come to the part 1. In part 1 I'm going to use the both I'm going to use to provide the solution for the both uh, parts A and B, and the only difference is the level of significance. So H hypothesis, the first stage hypothesis or first step hypothesis is same for both the cases, H naught and H1. Null hypothesis, mean F minus mean L is equal to 0, or mean F is equal to mean L is equal to 0, and mean F minus mean L is not equal to 0. This exclamation mark means is not equal to 0. So second step is level of significance. For part 1 is 10%, and for part 2 is equal to 5%. The T critical value, we use substance as a degree of freedom for 20. Uh, 12 plus 10 minus 2 is equal to 20. T calculation or T critical, sorry, this is I have written uh, critical, and the same is here. So at 5% level of significance is 1.725, and I have used a table that has been given in your course book. If you use another book, so table of some other sources, so you can divide 10% by 10% by 2, it is equal to 0.05, and it is a two-tailed test, so you will get the same values 1.725 plus minus, because it is a two-tailed test, and for 5% it is 2.086 with plus minus, two sides are here and there. In terms of mean f is equal to, how we will get t value, this critical value, into se this one, and here the t is this one, and se is the remains same for both cases. So now come to the t calculated or observation observed. Here is the t observed 0.09. It is obtained by x minus y, my parenthesis minus mu x minus mu y, or mu f minus mu l, which is equal to 0 divided by se is equal to 10.97. So you will divide the difference with SC value, so you will get the 0.049. I have cross-checked it from here. So if you find the difference between the two means, 110 minus 109 divided by SE B20, look at this B20, so you will get 0.04861 or 0.049. Now we come to the conclusion. You look at this 0.049 is a positive and it is less than in case of 10% level of significance 1.725. So we conclude that we cannot reject the null hypothesis as the value lies between the substance phases. It means that there is no significant difference in productivity of two schemes or package. Same is true for the second part where the level of significance is 5%. So let's move to the graphical interpretation of this one. This is a normal distribution curve. This is related to the 10% level of significance. So minus 1.725, this is the point, and this is 1.725 plus. Positive signs, look at this T. Observed value is 0.49, which is represented by here. Here the mean value is the central value where the mean value is equal to 0. So you see that this 0.49 is less than 1.725, so it is lies within the acceptance region, so we cannot reject the H naught. So same case is here 2.085 minus 2.085 or 86, 0 is here and 0.049 is here. Again it will fall in the acceptance region, so we are fail to reject the H naught, and we conclude that the both package has no difference regarding the productivity. Thanks for watching, and last thing that I'm going to tell you that if you found any numerical mistake or mistake regarding the calculation, please mention in the comment section. And if you want to add something from your side to improve the quality of the question or answer, please mention in comment section with logical argument. And discussion is always open. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.